Hey y'all, welcome to another WordPress Wednesday. My name is Corey Ashton and you're about to see a video on how to undo your mistakes inside of the Divi theme from Elegant Themes. If you're familiar at all with WordPress, sometimes when you click update, you're not really able to get back to what you had. The undo button doesn't always work. Well, Divi's thought of that and they've created a way for you to undo or to move back your revisions. It's so cool. I'm going to show you right now. But before I do, I have to give a shout out to Pressable, because if you're looking for a WordPress support team, as well as a phenomenal hosting company, you've got to check these guys out, because this is where WordPress works best. I'll put links to all this in the description box below, so you can be sure to tell them that Corey Ashton sent you their way. I highly recommend them, and they're the hosting company I use to host AskCorey.com. Hey, let's go take a look at Divi. Let me show you. Okay, so of course, this is the Divi theme that I'm talking about. It's Divi 3.0 is just out. Super excited about this. But don't worry, if you're watching this video later on down the road and you're running a different version, I'm sure that they've got some sort of element like this as a safety net for you to undo revisions. So let's jump in right now into the Divi theme. I've got an example here that I'm going to show you, and I know you're going to love it. Check this out. So I am already logged in to my Divi page that I've already got built here running the Divi theme. I've already logged in, and I'm going to go ahead and enable the visual builder up here, right? So let's enable that so that we can actually start using the Divi builder on this page. Of course, this is only relevant to those of you using the Divi theme, right? But check this out, or the Divi builder for that matter, on your own WordPress install. Let's say that I wanted to make this area right here, instead of 2 rows with 2 columns, I wanted to go ahead and make this 4 columns and bring all this up. So let's go ahead and go here and say I want it to be 4 columns, and I want to grab these down here and drag them up, and I'm just going to make some quick changes so you can kind of see an error happen maybe and how I fixed it, right? So let's drop that there. All right, there's that one, and I'm going to take this one and I want it to go up there, and I think I just dropped it somewhere. Where did it land? Okay, it's still back here. Good. So let's go back up here and drop it in a wrong section so you can see me start to undo something. Oh, it's there, stacked. That's pretty easy to fix. Let's drag it over and drop it. All right, let's say we like the way that looks pretty good, but overall we don't like it because we're gonna have to write more content. It just doesn't line up really well on the page. It doesn't sit properly. Well, I could drag those things down here, or I could click on the 3 dots here, open this up, and check out this nice little clock icon. Click on that, and we're able to easily and quickly go back to a history revision status, even with a timestamp, you guys. And as you click on them, you start to see the current version of your page. So I'm going to go back and edit the column even, and it's editing each step by step. Beautiful. Go all the way back to when I loaded the page. If that's the version I want to remain with, I click on Save Changes, and it quickly and easily takes me back to my revisions. So incredibly cool. These guys thought of everything inside of Divi, and that really works with even changing text. Let's say I wanted to say, contact us today. And once you present this to the client's like, that's a little bit too much sense of urgency. Well, you know, I could just run back in here really quickly and change back to the setting. Let's go back to loaded page. All right, good to go. So gotta love that. What would it do though if we clicked save already and published it? Actually clicked publish, right? Let's go in and tinker and see what this thing will do. Who knows? I'm always so impressed with Divi, darn it. I think it's amazing. I'm gonna delete this whole sentence here. Delete it, gone. It's gone from that whole area. Now I've got a fragmented sentence that's not good. I'm going to go ahead and look right now at the revisions. It's saying that I have edited that blurb. I'm not going to make a change yet. I'm going to go ahead and click save right now. And let's see, if we don't close out this page, if those revisions still live here. So I'm going to go back and load that up, and sure enough, so I have already gone ahead and clicked publish in a sense because I've clicked save. That change has gone live to the world to see. And it's still allowing me to come in here and reload the page to the original settings, click OK, and that sentence is back. I haven't lost anything. Now I'll go ahead and click save. But here's the thing. If you exit out of this page, that revision history no longer lives here associated to the page, okay? Because you notice how every time the further step back was this current version of loading this page in this current session. So please don't think that this little history is actually a full-blown history of the revisions of the full creation of the published date of this page, right? It's not. This is just for the immediate phase as you're working here in this current session. Just wanted to make that clear so that you don't have a uh-oh moment thinking that, well, I clicked exit right now, exited out of the builder, came back into the builder, and I should have the ability to find those revisions, right? Let's take a look and see. Let's move this over here. There's nothing there. So it didn't save anything. It just shows that I just loaded the page again. Kind of interesting, huh? But still a really phenomenal safety net as you're working through a page, and just in case you make a whoops or a boo-boo inside the Divi theme, you have an undo history or revision section. So very cool. I hope you absolutely love the Divi theme as much as I do. It is certainly my go-to theme if I'm using one for a client or for a student. Be sure to let them know that I sent you their way. If you're just going to try out the Divi theme, be sure to check out my affiliate link in the description below. I would appreciate that very much. And of course, if you're interested in checking out some amazing hosting plans and support plans for WordPress, you've got to go give a shout out to Pressable and let them know I sent you their way. Be sure to subscribe because every week I'm creating videos just like this to help you improve your online marketing inside of the world of WordPress. Y'all have a great one. I'll see you next week. Bye, y'all.